the southwestern Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, the karst mountains extending southwards have half of their area covered by forests. Due to the porousness of the limestone, little water can be retained, thus exposing the rock surface of the mountains. These bare cliffs are formidable and precipitous. Apart from birds and insects, it is hard to spot any other animals. Yet Mother Nature is used to creating wonders. The precipices that dishearten many are considered a haven by certain species. White-headed leaf monkeys settle in the caves dotting the cliffs, but not in the trees like other leaf monkey species. The black and white coat almost makes them invisible on the bare rocks. The 1-meter-long tail is 1.5 times its body length. With more slender limbs than other monkeys, they are more capable of bounding on the cliffs. The white-headed leaf monkey is native to southwestern Guangxi, with a population of less than 1,200. All of these monkeys live between Zhuojiang and Mingjiang rivers, an area smaller than 200 square kilometers that is shaped like a triangle. The history of the white-headed leaf monkey can be traced back to 1.4 million years ago. The river cut off the woodland, separating the monkey's ancestors into two isolated groups. One of them climbed up the cliffs to evade predators and eventually evolved into a unique subspecies. Their lifespan is 25 years on average. They usually become mature at 3 or 4 years old. The sexually matured female gives birth once a year. Some females resemble humans in their pregnancy reactions. The newborn is covered in atavistic golden hair. The striking hue makes it conspicuous on the cliffs and an easy target for the birds of prey. The color of the baby's coat will turn darker as it grows up. It becomes grayish-white at about a year old, and eventually black and white in adulthood. Climbing is compulsory for the young one, given that the skill isn't easily acquired. The mother is always around to offer help. The father's leadership in the family is an important source of security for the cub. At the shift of power, the immature monkeys could be killed by the new alpha. He practices deliberate infanticide by instinct so that the nursing mother is left with no child and becomes available for him. In order to survive, the white-headed leaf monkey has maximized its food varieties. They can consume over 80 plant species, including leaves, flowers, fruits, and stems. By licking the mineral salts on the cliffs, the white-headed leaf monkey can dissolve the bitterness and traces of toxins in their food. They forage all around the mountains, yet they eat only part of the plant's foliage, leaving the trees able to reproduce.